So this first one is called Karma. Basically the story how I almost went to jail.
Almost.
Sometimes I hate humans. I shouldn't be feeling this, but I'm only human. I guess that's why I'm spilling this. Overlooking my fate, tiptoeing on the ledge, but in reality the cliff, it's just the edge of my bed and I'ma jump. The devil's singing I should jump. Nah, fuck that. Him first. I'ma get the pump. Since he couldn't control himself and he had the seeker, he took the only thing she had left. It's only right I grim reap you. Soon. Show up in the darkness of your room, sipping that flask, black mass by myself, no dooms. Wake him up just to stake him up, turn his home into a tomb for breaking into a womb. Welcome to your dome, but it's only karma for the honor he took. She had me feeling so foul, didn't even want to give me his profile. She knew about how the way I looked, I wanted to blow off his whole face and book. Or better yet, Kia, call to connect, I'ma need a tech. Click, clack, leave him wet, bleeding on his deck, holes in his chest. Now we talking out his neck, but still in the card she was dealt, I'm taking this whole deck, bet. You know the protocol, real rebels moving protocol, in and out quick, no danger. Wipe off the fingerprints, unload, toss the banger, right into the river. And motherfucker, don't you dare blame her, this is your fault, pussy.
You shouldn't have raped her.